Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert duration to second in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet and make sure your duration data is ready. This should be in a time format like hours and minute that you want to convert into second. Next, select the cell with the duration you want to convert. Then go to the top menu, click on More Formats, scroll down and choose duration to access the appropriate formula option. Now select the cell where you want the second to appear. In that cell, type this formula is equal to value C3 24 3600. Replace C3 with the cell reference of your duration. For example, if your duration is in cell A2, update the formula to value A2 24 3600. Press enter and the cell will display the total second. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.